These 3 supplements may harm your health. Red yeast rice. The supplements contain monocolin K, which is identical to the active ingredient in the cholesterol-lowering drug lovastatin, which may be appealing to people unable to tolerate statin drugs. You can't tell how much monocolin K is in supplements. That may be fine if you're not taking a statin, but if you are, you could be getting too much of the medication. That can cause muscle pain or even a life-threatening muscle breakdown that can damage other body systems. L-arginine. L-arginine is an amino acid that helps relax and open blood vessels. It increases circulation, lowers blood pressure. L-arginine may make blood pressure dip too low if you're already taking medication to treat this condition. Garlic supplements. Garlic pills lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure. These supplements increase the effects of some medication for heart health, such as cholesterol-lowering drugs and blood pressure drugs. Finally, just talk to your doctor before trying any new supplement. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.